cutting across to breaking news coming in connection with the UP terror crackdown. Now, sources say that the Al-Qaeda terrorists were preparing human bombs for the blast. Even women from lower income groups were being trained for this attack. Yes, this is the information coming in, as we earlier told you, how the police had also confirmed that they were planning to target several politicians and were also planning serial blasts across the state of UP. Now, this is the latest that has come in. Source-based information of how the Al-Qaeda terrorists were preparing human bombs for the blasts, and even women from lower income groups were being trained for the attack. They were being given training, including Lucknow and Kanpur. A dozen women were trained, is the information we are receiving. And according to sources, 3 women living in the slum area of Panki were in contact with these terrorists for the past 1 month. And as soon as the ATS arrived, these 3 women fled, and search for these women is underway. The ATS is still trying to find out where they are. We're putting out the
terror plots as women, we are being told, were planning
the target, and they were being trained as human bombs to carry out blasts across various parts of the state. And Sumi is joining me on the phone line. Sumi, what more are you picking up on this?
Yes, absolutely. It is a major terror module that was in place. And in fact, the series of bombings that they had been planning, they had not only involved only Minhas Ahmed and Masruddin, but other people were also knee-deep involved into the whole conspiracy and hatching it. And in fact, what we're getting to know that Kanpur was the main hub where the entire execution was also taking place. The training was taking place. And in fact, a dozen of buildings were also rented there. And the plan was to carry out the attacks via female human bomb. And in fact, that was the fact that has been corroborated by the ATS also. And now 3 women have also gone missing from Kanpur. And in fact, a few engineering students were also a part of this. Now their whereabouts are not known at the moment. But what we are getting to know as of now is that the recce had already been done in the month of January, and the plan was to carry out and execute the entire attack in the month of May. However, because of the presence of the pandemic, the whole bombing got delayed. So as the interrogation is happening throughout the day, Shakil has also been detained by the police, and his interrogation has also been going on. It will certainly bring out a lot of facts that will be more shocking, and that will certainly unearth more about the incident that has been going on in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
All right, so we trust you to keep us ahead on this story, and we'll keep coming back to you for further updates. For the moment, thank you for joining us.